Hey guys, it's Chelsea, aka Lady C. Today, we're just gonna have a chill video. Joke! We're going to be opening Wham! Soft and Slow Squishies. Peel to reveal. And last time we opened half of the packet, so today we're going to be doing part 2 of opening the Peel to Reveal Soft and Slow Squishies. Anyways, let's start opening this. So, if you have not watched the video of me opening half of the packet, so these 3 Soft and Slow Peel to Reveal Squishies, if you haven't seen that video, just go watch it. After this video, go watch it. Anyways, let's just open these ones and let's do it. First, I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's do it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Get it right up by it. Who will I pick? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, the pink one. The pink one fell, so it's the pink one. I always choose the pink one for some reason, because if you watched my last video already, you would know that I opened the pink one first. If you did not, watch it right now and then look, I opened the pink one first, probably, maybe. It says Peel to Reveal Each Surprise, so that. And I have 3 squishies inside. 2 are like accessories, like these shells. I got these from the other set. And 1 is the character. Like I got a seal. Yeah. And the box is like scenery. Like this one's a beach. And yeah. And it comes with stickers as well to decorate it with. But I'm going to be opening this thing. And first I like to take off the plastic wrap. So, you can see my hand. Look, I'm opening up the plastic wrap right now. And now I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to open these surprises. So I'm going to be opening up the first surprise. What I am. Take off it off. It's a campfire. That's cool. Let's put our campfire over here. And let's take this next one off. I'm going to go to number 2. So the first one is just an accessory, the second one's also an accessory, and then the third one is an actual character who's actually going to be sitting down on a chair, which we're going to have a chair in the scenery. Okay, the next one's a hot dog. Yeah. And then the last one is the character. Whoa. Ooh, this is cute. Look at it. Oh, it's super stretchy too. Squeeze. Okay guys, now that I've finished, as you can see, I have this thing. It's the base of it. Okay, so I'm decorating it. So as you can see, it comes with this like scenery thing. I just put it in. It's like, it gives you scenery. And each box it has one. The one that I just showed you was a beach, but this one is going to be a campfire probably. It's probably in the forest or something. So guys, I'm still decorating it. So this is the grill. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm the worst at placing stickers, so sorry if they're not lined. Where the campfire is supposed to go. And the hot dog's supposed to go here. And last but not least, we're going to put the chair for the tiny little person or bear. It's a bear. And I also labeled it because this number is number 2. The one that I'm placing now is number 1, and the last one on the table was number 3. So here's a camping tent. Put this camping tent here. Sorry guys, I'm the worst at placing stickers. I place them so wonky. So this is a little bear. The little bear is having his hot dog and he's roasting it on the fire. Okay, so the little bear is in his seat. Inside stickers are the tablecloth thing and the chair seat and the grill. So the outside is a star, a planet with a ring around it. Some dark clouds with some stars and a moon. A camping tent, a telescope, and some more clouds with stars and half moon. And that's it. I'm gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its tail. Who will I be? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Blue! Yeah, I did it. Oh my gosh. And now, take off the cover. So we have our base. But anyways, I'm just gonna open these ones. What I am. Take off this thing. What's this? Stretch. Stretchy. Look at this. Okay, this is, I got like a meringue top thing. Oh my gosh. So this is what it looks like. And next one is the second one. Finally, I've opened it. Okay. Now, my next one is cake. The cake is my favorite one so far. Look how stretchy it is. Stretch, 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 stretch. It's like a fiddle toy, but anyways, this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh my goodness. And now we're gonna open the next surprise, and we got a cat. We got a pink cat. If nobody knows this about me, I love, 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 love cats. Love cats. I really love cats. And yeah. Where did my cheesecake go? So this is basically the cat bakery. So we have some cakes on the side here, and some cupcakes on this side, and then some more cakes on this side, and then even more cakes on this side. So as you can see what the cat is doing, she owns the bakery and she got tired, so she's having one of the most limited edition cakes. It's called the strawberry ginormous cake because it overlaps your whole plate. And she's about to cut it, and she has another one which she's gonna save. It's the lemon tart cake, which is one of her favorites. She's saving it for later. And they're super squishy. So it's basically a bakery. So this is the cat's bakery. So this is our last one, and I'm kind of sad. But anyway, the last one, we saved the best for last, hopefully the purple. Let's open this up. Yeah, this is a movie theater, and also where you film like movies. Stickers. Anyways, let's put that aside. Nope. We'll be opening the surprises. Hiya! Hiya! So, hiya! Hiya! Okay. First one is popcorn. It's red and yellow popcorn, and as you can see, I can squish it. Squish, 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 squish. Anyways, let's put that there. Let's open the next one. Yeah. Whoa, cool. Cool, cool. Ooh, what is like basically a soft drink. If you don't know what soft drink is, it's basically a soda for like soda is for Americans too. Americans call it soda, but this is a soft drink. Okay, put that there, and last but not least, who's gonna be going to the movies tonight? Yeah! Oh, the yellow. There could be a duck. Could be a duck. Is a duck going to the movies? Yep, a duck is going to the movies. Yeah! Okay, now we're going to be setting up the base. Wow. Yeah! So it's going to be a purple seat. Wow. So first, I have some fast food, some cinema stuff and stuff. And then I have some popcorn and 3 stars. And then some more cinema stuff. And then we have a pizza and a hot dog. So for the chick, we have some soft drinks or soda, whatever you call it. And then we have some popcorn. Whee! Which is awesome because if you look at the popcorn, look at the bottom bit. Squeeze, squeeze, pull. I have a question for you guys. Can you answer this question in the comments below? Which is your favorite out of 6 of them? 6 of them. My favorite is the movies because I love movies. Comment down below which is your favorite. Is it the little fast food place? Is it the camping place? Is it the bakery? Is it the beach? Is it the party? Or is it the birthday? Or is it the movie? Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe or comment down below if you want to see another video. And like, and I should say a big thank you to Orb Toys again for sending me these soft and slow peel to reveal squishies. Yeah, I really love them, and yeah, they're super squishy as well. One of my favorite squishies is this one. For some reason I really like this one. Squishy. But anyways, bye, and please press the notification button so then you know